Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, turn off Ctrl+Alt+Delete login requirement Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. Open Local Security Policy. Open Interactive Logon, change value data to enabled. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.